Hello everyone, it's Shannon with Shannon's Crafty DIYs. Welcome to my channel. Today I am in a fun challenge called Sweet Summer Days. I have two really cute lemonade type DIYs to share with you. I also have a really fun little drink video at the end of the video. We were supposed to come up with one of our favorite drinks for the summer, so stick around for that at the very end. Again, I would love it if you guys could hit that subscribe button and just give it a big thumbs up if you guys like this sort of content. So let's jump right into the DIYs, and I will go over the hosts and the playlist link a little bit later in the video. So for this DIY, I already took this apart. It's one of those canvases from the Dollar Tree. I already took the canvas off, sanded the frame down. Taking some of this acrylic paint from the Dollar Tree, just gave it a coat of pink paint and used my my air dryer to speed up the process. Now I had this craft paper from Michaels. I picked this up a couple years ago. It was on clearance for like $6, and I am definitely putting this to good use. I just saw this really cute paper with some drinks on it, so how fitting for this video. So I'm just tracing the outline of the frame and just going to cut it out with my Fiskars paper cutter. I picked this up from Walmart. I can leave it the link in the description box below for you guys. So since it is just paper and I don't have the backing of the canvas anymore, I'm taking this chopping mat that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to cut out the exact same size of paper, and this way it just gives it a little bit more support or a little bit more sturdiness to the picture. And then I'm just going to take my glue stick and attach it together, and then I'm going to attach it to the frame. And there's this tiny little saying that I cut out from the scrapbook paper as well, saying feeling oh so tropical. So I'm doing the same thing to that with the chopping mat. And now I'm just taking some of this foam sticker. Again, you can pick this up from the Dollar Tree. I'm cutting a couple different layers so that way it actually acts as layers and brings out the picture just a little bit more away from the main picture. So again, yes, you see here, and I'm going to stick it to the center of the frame. And so just to jazz it up a bit, I took these pack of stickers that I picked up from the Dollar Tree this year. They are super, super cute. I'm going to pick the lemon, and I'm also going to pick the popsicle. I'm just showing you here this pack of stickers. You can actually get the two for the price of one. Check this out, guys. Be very, very careful, but look. 2 pictures, 2 stickers, you have 2 lemons. Sweet. So I just figured I picked out one of the lemon slices, and I'm going to pick out the popsicle as well, and just hot gluing them to each corner of the frame. And this is essentially it for this DIY. I'm going to show you both DIYs at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. So the second DIY, I found this little crate from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to cut off the jute twine. I love this. What I'm going to do here is make a little lemonade stand. So I'm taking some of this white Waverly chalk paint, gave it 2 coats of paint, and I also had these little dowel rods that I picked out from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to give them 1 coat of the Waverly Antique Wax. You can wipe off the excess with a paper towel, and here I'm just using my hair dryer to speed up the dry time. So I'm trying to make the stand of the lemonade stand. So the dowel rods were just a little too short. So the trick I'm doing here is just taking some of these wooden cubes from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to hot glue them just to the inside of the crate. I'm kind of lining it up right where the jute twine was. So there is a hole on both sides of the crate. So I'm just lining it up with that, with a little bit of hot glue, as you see there. And now I can hot glue the dowel rods to the tops of the cubes. So taking some more of this paper, I have used this paper in another DIY. As you can see that I've already cut out something from it. So I'm just measuring the width of the crate. I am going to go ever so slightly larger than the crate. The crate was measuring 8 centimeters, so I'm actually measuring 9 centimeters. And again, using my Fiskars paper cutter to cut out a rectangle. And now I'm just going to fold the paper right in half, just like so. I'm just going to put it on top of the lemonade stand just to see how it is fitting. So what I'm going to do now, I'm taking some of these scissors. I picked them up from Michael's years ago. There was 4 per pack, and they each have a different pattern to the scissors. And this one, it was a nice little scalloped pattern. So I'm just cutting the edge of the paper. And then yes, it's just supposed to make it look like a nice covering for the lemonade stand. And just going to hot glue the paper to the top of the dowel rods. Make sure you don't use a whole bunch of hot glue here. It is paper. You don't want the paper to wrinkle or burn as well. So be careful here. And taking some more of these 3D stickers from the Dollar Tree. I thought this one was super cute, how fitting it is, a lemonade glass. Now it is 3D. I didn't use the top part. As you see here, the top wasn't a full picture, whereas the backing was. So I'm taking that and I'm just using the sticker that it came with and attaching it to the crate. That is essentially it for the lemonade stand. So all I'm going to do now is just fill it with some of this elixir from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to fill it with some little lemon slices that I picked up from Michael's as well. Again, you can customize this as well. So yes, here are those little slices. They were, I think, $4.99, I believe, at Michael's, and you could get the discount as well. All right, guys, so before I show you the drink that I love for the summer, I'm just going over the playlist. This playlist is called Sweet Summer Days. We have hosts Brenda with the Rustic and Lace DIY. We have Amanda with 6 Kids and a Glue Gun. And we have Chantal with the Crafty Hints. This is an awesome playlist, guys. I would love it if you guys could check it out and say hello to everybody for me. I'm going to leave the playlist link and the host links in the description box below. So yes, please check it out. You will not be disappointed. So this is my drink of choice. Again, I love lemonade, but with a twist. So I got this glass this year from the Dollar Tree. Now it's a vase, but look at this. How cute would this be as like a decanter or a personal sized lemonade glass for your friends? So what I'm doing is I'm mixing regular lemonade, again, Walmart brand, but it still tastes just fabulous. I'm going to fill 3/4 of lemonade, and I'm going to fill 1/4 of the cranberry juice, and then I'm adding some ice cubes, and I'm going to add a few little lemon slices. How cute. Again, it almost looks like you could pull it off like a personal size sangria. There's so many options with this glass. So yes, putting the lemons in. And then I also have these really cute glasses. You've seen me haul these a long time ago. I picked them up from the Dollarama. They were $2 each, but they have the little cute lemons on them as well. So I'm just going to cut up some more of the lemons. I'm kind of cutting it on a diagonal so that way I can actually put a slice over the edge of the glass. This is super cute. So I've got 2 on the go here, taking some paper straws from the Dollar Tree. And guys, check it out. This is me enjoying my favorite summer drink. Again, non-alcoholic. You could add alcohol if you want, but I love non-alcoholic drinks just as much, and it is so great for the summer. So I hope you guys enjoy this cute little short video. I love doing summer DIYs, and I love being part of these challenges as well. So again, I'm going to leave the hosts and the playlist link in the description box. I would love if you could go over and say hi to everybody. If you are new to my channel from the playlist, I also have an Instagram account too called Shannon's Crafty DIYs, where I do post a lot of other pictures. I post things that I find from the Dollar Tree as well. So go over and say hi to me there if you are interested. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give it a big thumbs up if you liked this video. That is it. I hope you have a wonderful day. We'll see you later. Bye.